Best places to visit in Samarkand, Uzbekistan are Registan Square, this majestic ensemble of three madrasas. It is the heart of Samarkand and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. With dazzling tilework and Islamic architecture, it's the city's most famous landmark. Zinda Necropolis, a stunning avenue of mausoleums decorated with intricate blue tiles dating back to the 14th and 15th centuries. It is both a sacred site and a masterpiece of Timurid era artistry. Amir Mausoleum, the final resting place of Amir Tamerlane. This beautifully domed structure is richly decorated with azure tiles and gold leaf. It served as inspiration for later Mughal architecture. Bibi Khanym Mosque, once one of the largest mosques in Central Asia, this grand structure was built by Timur to honor his wife. Ulugh Beg Observatory, founded by Timur's grandson Ulugh Beg. This 15th century observatory was a scientific marvel of its time. Afrasiab Museum and Ancient Ruins, located on the site of the ancient city of Afrasiab. This museum features murals, artifacts, and exhibits about Samarkand's pre-Islamic history dating back to over 2000 years. Hazrat Khizr Mosque, sitting on a hill near Shah Zinda. This small but sacred mosque offers great views over the city. It is said to be one of the oldest religious sites in Samarkand. Hudjum Silk Carpet Factory. Learn about the traditional process of silk carpet production and see skilled artisans at work. Meros Paper Mill and Konigil Village. Discover the ancient art of paper making, a tradition brought to Samarkand by Chinese artisans centuries ago. It is located in tourist village of Konigil. This special place is 13 km from Samarkand. Happy Bird Art Gallery. The gallery is decorated with a range of beautiful handicrafts and artifacts. Imam Bukhari Shrine. The mausoleum of Imam Bukhari is located in a religious complex located in Hartang village, 25 kilometers from Samarkand. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Please subscribe.